Clean with no pedals. So, not bad for a $30 garage sale guitar. What money have I put into this thus far? Well, the very first thing I did was I hated the neck. I actually took the neck off, flattened out the pocket in there. The pocket itself was actually about 2 millimeters too wide. So there's a shim. You probably can't see it, but there's a shim in there just to keep the neck straight. I recarved the neck because I didn't like the profile. It was a big chunky baseball bat of a thing. The brand name was called Aria, A-R-I-A, and I've seen them on Reverb anywhere between $80 and $100 for a newer used one. Either way, it's a cheap guitar, so electronics, the original electronics were no good. I've carved the neck to kind of a modern C, a very thin one, which is comfortable that I like. In the video you saw me doing the nut. You saw me pulling out the old trem, and I filled it with pieces of wood. This is just alder that I had in the scrap bin. Still need a little bit of polishing and maybe, a whole new coat of paint. What color paint should I make this guitar? I'm going to keep this black pickguard. What should I do here? Anyways, this pickguard is not with the guitar. That was maybe $15 on one of those AliExpress, Alibaba, AliAdden, whatever it is, the website. It came pre-wired-ish. Some of the wires had fallen apart. I added in this little kill button. It was a Tom Morello idea, and I've still got to figure that out. The little kill button. So $15. This bridge was maybe $20 on Amazon. Nothing special, just one of those Music Lily brands. It's like, it'll say Wilkinson, but it's a knockoff of whatever it is. I got bored with a file, and I started carving those. In my head, they were supposed to look like shark teeth, but that didn't work out. Kind of comfortable, though. I'd like to replace the tuners. These are probably absolute trash. I'm going to pull those off, and I'd love to replace those with something else. They're not even straight on there. But I can just drill a regular 10 mil hole, put new tuners in. And that's about it. This is not a bad little guitar for the price. The setup took a while. The nut looked like it had never been touched. I had to adjust the truss rod. I did re-level and crown these on another day. Got that intonated. My height I still need to play with, but that's mostly okay for what it is. I might lend this to a friend and see if they can use it. I have other guitars that I've built that I enjoy playing. I hope you enjoyed that and saw how easy it was to replace a trem bridge with a hardtail. All you need is wood, glue, a saw, files, all that stuff. Made it fit, some sandpaper. Doesn't have to be pretty, but it sure plays nice. Stays in tune now, too. Awesome. Bye-bye.